everyone, my name is Alia Janina Alika from BSHM1G. Today I will show you the different types of cut.
Brunoise is a basic culinary arts knife cut, which is essentially a tiny cube measuring 1/16 inch. Julienne is a culinary knife cut in which the food item is cut into long thin strips similar to matchsticks. Small dice, also known as a fine dice, is a culinary technique where ingredients are cut into small, even cubes. Bâtonnet is a French culinary technique that involves cutting ingredients into long, uniform sticks.
And now I will show you how to make an edible apple swan, garnish flour, and cucumber flour.